city lights flicker like a curse. Neon dreams and papers, shadows stretch beneath my feet, dancing to a heartbeat, upbeat. My truths and silver lies, written in forgotten skies. Every step I take I feel the silence start to scream it's real. I don't know who I am tonight, but I won't vanish from the fight. It's real, it's real. I know who I am tonight, but I won't vanish from the fight. Break the noise, Kuroi Hoshi. Even if the world can see, I was born from broken fate to seal my hate, to liberate. In the dark I hear the sound of a soul that won't stay down. Call my name, I'll rise again. This is where the truth begins. Mirrors show a stranger's face, lost inside a dream I chase. Every scar I used to hide, now it glows, now it's my guide. Can you hear the whisper in the wires, burning cold, electrified? Even if I fade away, I'll leave my voice in yesterday. Cut through the noise, Kuroi Hoshi. Even if the world can see, I was born from broken fate to seal my hate, to liberate. In the dawn I'll stand again. If I fall I'll stand again. Rewrite the world inside this pain. No more change, just gravity and the echo left of me. See, I was born from broken fate to seal my hate, to liberate. In the dark I hear the sound of a soul that won't stay down. Call my name, I'll rise again. This is where the truth begins. Mirror truth begins. Can you hear the whisper again?